Good evening. Samahan niyo akong mag-code using Oracle. Na-download na natin yung ito-download na file. So, samahan niyo akong cd. Please enter. Then, mkdir linux lab. Enter ulit. Then, cd linux lab. Enter ulit. Then, mkdir documents. Enter ulit. Then, mkdir ulit. Documents slash report. Enter ulit. Then, mkdir documents notes. Then, mkdir ulit. Projects. Then, mkdir ulit. Always lang natin i-type yung mkdir. Projects slash Python. Then, enter ulit. mkdir space projects. Then, web. Enter ulit. Then, mkdir backup. After nun, type natin yung 3 if meron na. Then yun. Ito na po ang output natin. Yun lang po. Thank you po.